Okay, hello fans, we are doing some secret things here at the studio. Stay tuned and welcome. The guys are setting up, miking the drums here. The filming crew is here. Movie crew. And
international things happening.
Yeah, secret stuff. Secret.
In a secret place in Porvoo, Magnusborg.
Lakkatie 2. We have Fractal XFX3 and Ibanez. Yes, these are already paid for. We got it, and actually Isaac is endorsed by Roland, the latest MIDI food controller.
Straight from the 80s, maybe.
Yep.
And we have trucks also come. And
Trucks.
yes. You heard right.
Nice.
Here.
The
secret. Oh, what the fuck is happening? Puruja.
No vittu. Se jotenkin. Kyllä ne sieltä. We screwed it up. Screw it up. Kyllä se. Mutta se niinku just vettää tarpeeksi, että se too much or too little of the coffee, you know, beans. Tätä hakkaa. Joo, olette tosi lähellä. Faneille vähän. Hello fans!
You use Marshall amplifiers.
Yes, sent me this. They wanted me to use this.
Yeah, but
the brand new.
But there's no light. What?
The light is gone.
Oh,
is gone.
But it's not on.
Vittu Jaakko! Okay, hello fans, we are here at the secret studio doing secret stuff, and we can't tell yet, but it's gonna be great, and stay tuned. Say hey, say hello.
Say hey.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
No, se on keikkoja voit järjestää.
Food break, say hello.
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 Nice. Hello. Starts to sound pretty good, man. Okay, apparently we are done here. Yes. And it was great, and it was great. And
Grade A.
Grade A. Hello. Hello.
Hello.